Alright guys, so just around the corner from this grass right here, water pumping out from the lake. Let's go catch some fish here. There's a bunch of predator fish around coming out of the lake. Let's see what we can catch. Oh my god, there's so much dead fish back there, I can smell it. Fuck. Was not ready for that, but that was a fish. Oh, fuck. You're not big. Okay, it's not small, whatever it is. Oh, that's a good bass. No. That was a good bass, man. That was actually a really good one. Damn it. There we go. Dude. These things are fucking big. That might have been dogfish, actually. Got him. Oh, it's a bass. It's a good bass. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get in here. Oh yeah. There we go. The fucking 1.5, 2 pounder. Oh. All right, let's get him back. That was the smaller one of the ones I've hooked too. That was by far the smallest. Snapped off. All right, well, I got more jig at least. No trail. That's a fish. Got him. Dude, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? I hooked that fish too. Like, you can't hook? I'm setting the hook even harder now. If you thought I was setting the hook hard before, oh ho ho. Fish? I might set the hook too hard, honestly, now though, that's the problem. That ain't a fish. Dude, this spot's loaded though. If I can just figure out how to get them. I think if I throw a jackhammer out there. The jackhammer might be the play. That's all these damn bugs. These bugs are not the play. Holy. Got him that time. He ain't even that big, he's just a fighter. Oh. Alright, we're good. No. My jig snapped. Bro. Alright. Dude, this is just unfortunate fishing. I catch a fish, I get it to shore, and then all of a sudden, snap. Let's redo that real quick. Right there. That's the juice. First cast fish. Yep. First cast snap off. God damn it. All right, I'm not throwing a jackhammer, I guess. I'll throw a regular chatterbait. Back to the drawing board. Dude, these bugs are crazy, man. I'm like fighting for my life right now. That felt like a bite. Not just my legs, the fucking lure. I'm not liking this. Stop getting bites. Got him that time. Oh, this is a bigger fish if it's a bass. Please don't be it. Oh, it's a good bass. It's a good one. Let's get up here. Nice, dude. Nice. There we go. Oh. It popped right out. There we go. It's a nice 2-pounder. A little chunker. Let's get him back down. Oh. Sorry, bud. Didn't mean to make you face plant. Alright, well. Alright. Okay. Alright. That's good. That's good. That's good. Alright. Let's catch some more. Come on. Alrighty, guys. So that's going to end it right there. Caught a few fish. Predator fish at least, not pike, bass. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment. Peace.